Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about virtual data rooms for manufacturing. The manufacturing industry operates in a highly competitive and regulated environment where precision, efficiency and quality control are paramount. To meet those demands, manufacturers are turning to virtual data rooms as invaluable tools for streamlining process managing data and ensuring quality control across the production lifestyle in this comprehensive exploration. We will delve into how VDRs are revolutionizing manufacturing by enhancing quality control practices. Number one, document management. Manufacturing involves extensive documentation including product specifications, quality standards, compliance records, and production schedules. VDRs provide a centralized platform for storing, organizing, and managing those critical documents, ensuring easy access and version control. Secure data sharing. Manufacturers collaborate with various stakeholders, including suppliers, partners, and regulatory agencies. VDRs offer secure data sharing capabilities, allowing manufacturers to share sensitive information while maintaining data security and confidentiality. Supply chain collaboration. Manufacturing often real- relies on complex supply chains. VDRs facilitate collaboration with suppliers by providing a secure environment for sharing procurement documents, production forecasts, and quality assurance reports. Number four, quality assurance documents. Quality control is central for manufacturing. VDRs help manage qualify assurance documents, including inspection reports, testing data, and certification, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Number five, regulatory compliance. Manufacturing is subject to strict regulatory standards in areas like safety, environmental impact, and product quality. VDRs support compliance efforts by maintaining a secure repository of compliance documents, simplifying audits and inspections. Real-time data access. VDRs enable real-time access to critical manufacturing data, allowing stakeholders to make informed decisions promptly. This feature is particularly valuable for addressing production issues and maintaining quality control. That's all in this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.